I'm now going to show you how to tension up the Equirope. What we do is we want to pull the sag out of it. So I put it through my roller post insulator and I lightly pull the sag out of it and put a temporary knot just to hold it. I then work on 2%. So 2% on 108 meters is 2160 millimeters, or 2.16. So I then take this and I measure back 2160 millimeters, which is over here. I get my insulation tape and I wrap some around at that point. That is my mark. I need to pull up into my insulator to get my 2% tension. Now we have the Equirope tensioner. This is made up of a jaw which only just fits onto the Equirope, but it fits very well and grabs very well. We also have the little ratchet tensioner. How we use this tensioner: we take the long end with the hook tied to it, we take it around our strainer post and back onto itself. We then pull it out and release using this tab, pushing it forwards towards the hook, release some rope through it. We then can put this jaw onto our product, so we push back, we get it onto the Equirope and we can hook this through it. We're ready to start tightening. We have our mark here which has to go back to the insulator, so simply we walk this up This rope tensioner will hold our rope in position while we tie it off. It's critical that we use the correct fittings when tying this product off. As we can see, we need to go just a little more. Here we go. Now that we've pulled up our 2% tension, we've got the insulation tape sticking through there, we can now tie it off using a KV500. By loosening the screw, it opens up the two halves. Now we're going to tie it off using a KV500. KV500 ensures a very good conductivity between strands, so this KV500 is also used if joining Equirope. So if you're running a roll and you have to join in the middle, you use a KV500 in the same way as I'm using this here. Get the tail. If you are joining a rope, you'll be pulling it through just like that. You then tighten this up. And we are now ready to release the rope. A critical thing with the rope tensioner that needs to be taken account of is this tab is only plastic, and if you try and release it just by pushing, you will break the mechanism. So it is important that before pushing this button, because it is under tension, that we get this rope, we pull back, we pull further and release the tension off there, and then we can release it like that. But you need to pull it tighter before you push the tab. You need to release the tension of it.